Here we go.
Well, hello guys, good morning. It's 7:45 in the morning, and it's been very long that I have not gone for any ride. So I've decided, because of all the practical works and from the college I couldn't get any time. So now I have decided all the work is done. I'm having my PLs and let's go for a ride. So today I've decided that I'm going for Devkund. With me, Pushpawala is coming, and let me just show you what all stuff I'm carrying today. Well, this is my helmet's camera setup. This is an extra camera that I'm carrying. Its battery is fully charged, so that I can put this battery, into this camera if this battery dies. I also got my wireless JBL speaker, some of my extra clothes, because Devkund is a waterfall and I'm planning to get wet and to swim in the waterfall also. Then I also carried my raincoat just in case it rains, and all this stuff is going to I'm going to pack in this bag, and then I'll leave. So everything is ready, everything is packed in my bag. It's 8 10 minutes to 8. Now I have to go to Pushpawala's place, then I'll pick her up. I guess we'll have something to eat, then we'll leave. Devkund is around 110 kilometers from here. We have to go from the Tamini Ghat road till the Patnus village, and from there we can get a guide or we can go on our own. But I've heard that they are making the guide compulsory, so let's see what happens. And here is my bike all ready. Here's the helmet and camera. So I'll see you once I get to Pushpawala's house.
The best season to go in Devkund Waterfall is when the rainy season has came to at its end. जब खत्म होने में आ जाता है तब रेनी सीजन जब खत्म होने में आ जाता है तब जाना चाहिए देवकुंड वाटरफॉल पे, क्योंकि उसका वाटरफॉल अच्छा बहुत बड़ा सा चालू रहता है, और उसके बाद जो रिवर्स है उसके आसपास के वो भी थोड़े शांत हो जाते हैं. जब बहुत रेन होता है तो उसके आपके ट्रैक में 2 घंटे का ट्रैक है उसके बाद आपको, और उस ट्रैक में भी आपको नियर अबाउट 2 या 3 नदियाँ लगती है. सो जब रेनी सीजन चालू रहता है तब आपको पूरा लाइफ जैकेट पहन के रूट्स के साथ होकर क्रॉस करना पड़ता है.
Hello guys, it's 8 o'clock and we have stopped for nashta. So I'm gonna have idli vada sambar, and then after having this we'll leave for Devkund. Okay, तो नाश्ता वगैरह हो गया है and it's 8:15. अभी रास्ते में पेट्रोल भरवाना है and then straight to Devkund.
Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find a light in your soul, I'll be there. Never leaving you in the darkness, even when you're out of focus. I will be the light in your life, you'll see it clear. I'll be your inspiration, 'cause I know that you'll do just what you're told. I'll be your hard-earned temptation, 'cause I know that you'll make it on your own.
ओके गाइज, हम अभी देवकुंड पहुंच गए हैं रास्ते से और गाड़ियाँ यहाँ पे पार्क कर दी है। ये मेरी वाइट कलर की अकेली, बस यहाँ पे एक जूम कार दिख रही है मुझे और एक किसी का तो ये बाइक है। आज ज़्यादा क्राउड नहीं रहेगा। और ये जो आपको दिख रहा है, हाँ दैट, तो यहाँ से देवकुंड के लिए रास्ता चालू होता है, ट्रैक चालू होता है। नियर अबाउट 2 घंटे का ट्रैक है। लेट्स सी कितने मिनट में हम पूरा कर सकते हैं। ओके, विल सी इन द ट्रैक। Okay, now we have started the trek and we have to hire a guide. It's compulsory to take a guide and it takes like 50 rupees per person. But today we are just two, so we have decided him for 200 rupees and it would take around 2 hours for the trek. These are the rivers which are full and in the full force during the rainy season. So when you come here in rainy season, you need to cross these types of rivers using life jackets and ropes, and that's why when there is lots of rain, police also closes this Devkund Waterfall for near about 1 to 2 months. So whenever you're coming, just make sure that it is open. You can call the number from Google. There's one number, and he can tell you everything when it is open and closed. So they have this type of bridges constructed for crossing the river when there is lots of water, but now we can easily cross the river from there and we don't need any ropes or life jackets. Okay, so finally we have reached Devkund. It took us near about 1.5 hours to reach here, and it's 5 kilometers from where we started the trek. You can see how good the waterfall is looking, and in rainy season the waterfall is even bigger than this, and the water flow is very high. Also the water level also rises during the rainy season, and the water is so cold, it's so pleasing. The silence of the nature, the sound of the waterfall is so nice, and like you can sit here for 1 hour, 2 hour as you wish, and it's so silent and so pleasing.